Whether sofa cushions can be dry cleaned largely depends on the fabric type and care instructions provided by the manufacturer. Some materials, particularly delicate or specialty fabrics, may require dry cleaning to avoid water damage or shrinkage. Generally, it's essential to consult the care label or tag attached to your sofa cushions before attempting any form of cleaning. Sofa cushions come in a variety of fabrics, each with its unique care requirements. Common materials like cotton, polyester, and microfiber can typically be spot cleaned or machine washed with ease. However, more delicate fabrics like silk, velvet, or leather may demand professional dry cleaning to maintain their appearance and texture. To be certain, always refer to the manufacturer's care instructions. If you're unsure about the fabric type or can't find the care label, a simple test can help determine if your sofa cushions can be dry cleaned. Dampen a white cloth with water and a small amount of mild detergent, then gently rub it on a hidden part of the cushion. If the color transfers onto the cloth, it's best to opt for dry cleaning to avoid damage. In cases where dry cleaning is recommended, you can either take the cushions to a professional cleaner or use a home dry cleaning kit. These kits typically include a stain remover, an odor eliminator, and a specially designed bag that can be placed in a dryer to mimic the dry cleaning process. While these kits may be convenient, they may not provide the same level of cleaning as a professional service. The key to maintaining the appearance and longevity of your sofa cushions is regular care and attention. Vacuuming, spot cleaning, and following the manufacturer's care instructions will keep your cushions looking and feeling fresh. And when in doubt, it's always best to consult a professional to ensure your cushions receive the proper care they deserve.